And please don't play the game of ice. You have many impositions. How many times have you heard that? Dapat kayo ganito, dapat ganito lahat, standard ganito, ganito, ganito. Okay. But many times we have many impositions on people. You kill their spirit. Alam po yung maraming imposition, ang tawag yan, impostor. You're pretending to be God. Don't play God, please. Number 2, C, control. Are you a control freak? You want to make sure that everything, kinontrol mo na lahat. Pati love life nila, pati course nila, lahat. I mean well, Father. You know what? Well-meaning people end up mean. You hurt people. Sometimes you cripple the child. Well-meaning. And E, expectations. Baka ang taas ng expectations mo. I did this, so you must do this. You know, if you play the game of ice, which Mama Mary never did to Jesus. Can you imagine if Mama Mary said, Jesus, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas ngayong gabi. Jesus, ayaw ko yung barkada mo na yan.